Hi everyone! Thank you for subscribing to Simp Decor channel. Today, Simp Decor will make a brooch from the ribbon. Material to be prepared: blue satin ribbon, blue thread, needle, candle, scissor, beads, hard cloth that has been shaped round, tweezers, pin. First, cut the ribbon along 7 centimeters. Make 5 pieces. After that, burn the edges of the ribbon using the candle. Do the same on the other ribbon pieces. Then sew the ribbon one by one like this. After finishing, form the ribbon into a flower arrangement. Stick the round cloth that has been prepared using a glue gun. Don't forget to attach the beads. Then the last step, stick the pin to the brooch and finish. If you want to request a video about a craft like this, please comment and don't forget to subscribe.